Friday. Good evening, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Preston Maynard here in the Southlake Storm Team West Center. Here for a video forecast for the evening of Sunday, March 30th, 2014. Let's go ahead and take a look at our weather headlines here. We do have some gusty wind conditions for the rest of today while the sun is out. Then we'll start to see that calm down just a little bit. A nice opening day tomorrow for the Rangers, and there's a chance for severe weather Wednesday, Thursday, and even possibly Friday. We do have a chance also Tuesday. Doubt we'll actually see anything on Friday. You can see the wind is really gusting out there, really strong from the south. Otherwise, there's some people out enjoying the day. That is a nice breeze, though. Current conditions out there right now. 79 winds from the south around 5 miles an hour, even though it's probably more about 15 miles an hour. It takes about 5 minutes for this software to update. Dew point 41 with partly cloudy sky conditions. Now, this is a new slide we've never shown you. This is our traffic cameras from TxDOT. And most of these are 120, we have a few 114s and 121s. Most of them are actually down right now. You can actually see the clear skies clearly indicated on most of these. Roads are honestly pretty clear right now because it's a Sunday evening. People are getting out, maybe getting some dinner for the night. Otherwise, pretty clear. And that's even clear on Storm Tracker Plus HD Doppler radar here, showing a clean sweep. But that is actually not the case for our Storm Tracker Plus HD radar loop with satellite showing pretty much the United States, except for it cuts off a little bit of the west coast here. Now we start to see a lot of clouds. Tennessee, for the most part, is clear right now. Colorado's receiving a little bit of snow and some clouds. Otherwise, Texas is pretty much clear. Temperatures today range from the mid to upper 70s. DFW Airport right now 78. 77 right in southern Tarrant County, maybe Mansfield area. Cleburne 77 and Stephenville 80 degrees. Now, fire weather risk for the rest of this afternoon. Strong gusty winds from the south, and this will be on our western counties, but it does include Weatherford right here and this little bit of Tarrant County. But I could say that's for most of the Metroplex. You could still see it even though that's not on our fire weather risk map. We had a high of 80 and a low of 48 today. Normal is 72 and 50. The record was set in 1946 with a temperature of 95 and 1987 with a temperature of 29. Sunset tonight will be at 7:46 p.m. Unfortunately, no rain also. Now, temperature tonight, 53, winds from south around 20 miles an hour with partly cloudy sky conditions. Now, we do have a 10% chance of precipitation, although it's very unlikely tonight, but there is still that risk remains. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at tonight's lows in the lower 50s here. Midlothian 53, Terrell 51, Dallas 52, Fort Worth 53, Weatherford 54, and up in Decatur 52. Now, hourly forecast through midnight tonight, 6 a.m. clear, or 6 p.m. clear 77, 8 p.m. clear with a temperature of 70, 10 p.m. clear 67, and at midnight tonight, mostly clear with a temperature of 58. We'll cool down into the mid to lower 50s. Now, tomorrow's forecast is a temperature 81, winds from the south around 20 miles an hour, 10% chance of precipitation with also partly cloudy sky conditions. Now, this is our tomorrow's highs across the Metroplex in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Fort Worth 82, Dallas 79, McKinney 79, Denton 80, and Decatur 81. Now, this is our Storm Tracker Plus HD Futurecast here. This is what is really going to bring us to severe weather. We're going to change gears out of the nice forecast into the severe weather. This position of the dry line is really going to depend on how severe this is. And this is Tuesday, so we can see our information here. Tuesday, there'll be really hail west of I-35 where the dry line is positioned. And this is our low pressure system along with a cold front and a warm front. Wednesday, we'll start to see this starts to inch closer and move a little bit off to the east of Dallas County. And we'll see hail winds and possibly an isolated tornado. And as the low pressure system pushes off and really brings the cold front closer to Dallas-Fort Worth, but the dry line is completely to the east of the coverage area, we'll see a little bit stronger hail, winds, isolated tornado, and it really will be more widespread. We could even see a squall line develop and a few supercells. That would be really bad, but it is possible. Wednesday, severe weather threat, tornadoes is low, hail is moderate, and so is wind, and the flooding is low, as this will be really fast moving, so it won't have time to dump a whole bunch of rain. Now, severe weather threat for Thursday, I put us at a low tornado risk once again, and then hail is at a high, and so is wind. We're going to see really, we could even see damaging winds, and hail will be high. Not exactly sure on the size, but we're going to continue to monitor the situation. The hail is going to be pretty large, so it can do some damage here. And the flooding risk is pretty low once again, as the storm will be moving fast. Now, Storm Prediction Center has put us at a really just a thunderstorm risk, 25% or more right now, and this does include Dallas, Fort Worth, and pretty much most of the coverage area. And that'll be on Thursday. So once again, we're going to continue to monitor the situation and bring you the latest updates as they come in. 5-day forecast for the Metroplex here. Monday, we're going to have opening day, 81, low 53, 10% chance of precipitation. Tuesday, we could see some 5%, maybe even a little bit more than that. High 78, low 59. Wednesday and Thursday are severe weather days. Wednesday, 40% chance, and Thursday, 60% chance of some rain. Wednesday, high 82, low 67. Thursday, high 87, low 68. And Friday, it all becomes calm again. Will be a little bit moisture in the air, though. High 78 and a low of 63. Be sure to send us in your weather photos. You can tweet us at Southlake Storm, or post them on our Facebook wall at facebook.com/Southlake Storm Team. Or if you don't have any of those social media platforms, you can send them to youreport@SouthlakeStormTeam.com. Thanks, Dallas-Fort Worth, for watching today's video forecast. And once again, we'll continue to monitor the severe weather situation as our new model data comes in later tonight. And we will be making a few posts on our website and on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Stay safe.